In fourth grade, we're going to be rounding numbers that are up to the millions place to either the nearest 10, 100,000, 10,000, or 100,000. So let's go over what we learned today. So today's goal was that we could round numbers to the nearest 1,000. So to begin this today in class, I said, let's think about our thousands, our multiples of 1,000. Now, when I say multiples, I want you to think skip counting. So multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Get in the habit of practicing your multiples, right? You can practice that at any time, right? You could practice it while you're driving on the way to school or walking home. You could skip count your multiples. You're probably like, okay, Miss Dowling, let's be real here. I'm not going to be singing my multiples on the way home from school, but maybe you will. Now, multiples of 1,000, you did so well today. We have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000. So we just keep adding 1,000 over and over, okay? Say we had the number 463,000. 1,000 more than this. I'm looking right at this digit in my thousands place. If I add 1,000 to that, it's going to become 4,000. So my next multiple would be that. And then it would be that. And then it would be that, right? So you're focused on your thousands place when we're doing this. Okay, let's get into an example from today. Let's start off with, I want to round the number 8,463 to the nearest 1,000. Okay, we use this when we round. It means about. It's an estimate. It means close to. Okay, the symbol right here, it does not mean this. It is not exact equal. Okay, so I'm really focusing on my thousands place, my 8,000 here. So I'm going to set up my vertical number line, which we learned today in class. We use a number line, a vertical number line, not a horizontal number line, because we want to actually represent numbers increasing as we go up, decreasing as we go down. Okay, so this is representing our start, our end, and our midpoint. So if I think about 8,000 and I'm looking at my multiples here, this number is somewhere between these two multiples of 1,000. So I've been telling students, say the value of your thousands place, it is worth 8,000. And then you're going to add 1,000 to get your end point. Half of 1,000 is 500. So the middle of these would be 8,500. So we always have 4 tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,004. Sorry, am I saying that right? Yeah. 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,400. Uh-oh, Miss Dowling, it's getting late. 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,400, 8,500, 8,600, 8,700, 8,800, 8,900, 9,000. So if I wanted to put our number here, plot it, it is going to be below, let's use those spicy words, midpoint, below our midpoint, halfway point. So 8,400 and a little bit, right? 400 would be here. So I'm gonna place it like right there. And then I'm just gonna write 8,463. Now it's below my midpoint. That means it's gonna round down to 8,000. Okay, so that's a quick little review of today. My next video, I'm going to show you if we had a number like 263,420, where is that going to round to the nearest thousand? Okay, this one's a little bit simpler because it only goes up to the thousands place. We're going to try to round these numbers in my next video to the thousands place. So again, looking at that thousands place, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. It's going to be between 463,000 and 464,000. What one is it going to be closer to? I want you to think about that. You want to look at this area because that would determine where on your number line it would go. What's it closer to? Is it going to be closer to this guy or this guy? All right, stay tuned. See you tomorrow.